In this video, I will show you how to buy BTC on Coinbase Wallet. So if you want to do this, firstly, you need to open up your app, open the Home tab, and then go ahead and click on the search icon in here, and then just search for BTC. So let's go ahead and type that in, and then click on Go. And now we need to click on Bitcoin all the way at the top because this is the one. So let's click on this. And now when we scroll down, we will see an option in here to buy. So let's go ahead and click on buy in here. And now we can just enter the amount of BTC that we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 20 euros of BTC. Then we can select the network in here. And by default, it will be set to Bitcoin. And I would recommend this network as well for BTC. And then you select BTC as crypto in here, and down below you can select the payment method. So by default it is set to my debit card, but I can change this by clicking on this, and now I can select my Fiat balance, Apple Pay, credit card, and that's basically it. So I'm going with my Apple Pay, and then I'm going to click on continue to payment, and now I will be redirected to one of my payment platforms that is supported in my region. So once I click on continue, I will go through the process, and that is basically how you buy BTC on Coinbase Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.